Hello, I'm Jasdoge and this is Easy Low FODMAP Everyday Cooking. As always, the recipe is in the video description. The problem with taco spice mixes is that most of them contain onion, but making low FODMAP tacos from scratch isn't that hard, you just need to do a bit of taste testing. For the seasoning, we'll need cayenne pepper, chili powder, cumin, pepper, paprika and salt. The sauce uses the same ingredients, plus vinegar, sugar and tomatoes. As for the rest, you'll need standard corn-based taco shells, some minced meat, lemon, cheese and a choice of vegetables that you like. Let's start with the sauce. Chop the tomatoes and put them in a blender. Add a cap of vinegar and blend. Though keep in mind it should still be somewhat chunky. Stir in a fair bit of paprika, cumin and chili powder. A good starting point is covering the top of the sauce, but we'll add more later as needed. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper, salt and sugar. Now stir that up and give it a taste test. Then simply add more ingredients based on the flavors that you like. And if you're unfamiliar with the spices, then just try taste testing them. When you come up with a mix of spices that you like, do consider sharing them at suchnom.com. Time to cook the filling. Put butter in a pan and add the minced meat. You'll want a medium-high heat. Then mash it with a wooden or normal fork to separate the meat. Cook until it turns brown. Add half a glass of water. It should be enough to reach about halfway up the meat, but it doesn't matter if you add too much, since we'll be cooking it off anyway. Add a lot of paprika, cumin and chili powder. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper, salt and some lemon. And let it simmer for a while. And then taste test. Then simply start adding more spices as needed. The ones you'll need the most of are paprika and cumin, and I usually run through at least half a jar when I'm making tacos. Once you're satisfied with the flavor, let most of the water boil off. Chop your vegetables, shred the cheese and serve with the sauce. Enjoy!